how can you make sure consumers are prepared and know what to do when they get in an accident? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
As we all know, educating consumers is a critical part of the collision repair business. Informing them about the ins and outs of the auto body experience can pay off big time in customer loyalty. One way to do that is to provide them a list of do's and don'ts before they get in an accident. The do's include: check to ensure that you're not injured. If you're uninjured, check others in your car to make sure they're uninjured. Then, check with any other involved parties. If anyone is injured or the nature of the accident dictates it, immediately call 911. If required and appropriate, render first aid. Move your vehicle to a safe location if possible. Exchange information with other involved parties. This includes name, address, phone number, vehicle license plate number, driver's license number, and the name of the insurance company in contact. Secure names and contact information from any witnesses. If you have a camera handy, photograph the scene of the accident and the condition of all vehicles and property involved. Make a record of the accident for yourself, including time, location, weather conditions, traffic conditions, and a brief description of the accident. Describe the accident to proper authorities exactly as it occurred. Contact your insurance company. They may be able to provide other valuable information and may ask for additional information from you, such as a copy of the police report. The don'ts include: don't leave the scene of an accident without first securing information from other parties involved. And don't discuss any personal information regarding your physical condition or mental frame of mind. Damaging a car and then dealing with a body shop, insurance company, car rental company, and others can be a confusing and stressful time for consumers. But providing them these do's and don'ts before they ever need you can help make that time a little less stressful. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.